If you love all things sourdough, this is a recipe you need to try. These pancakes come out so good. They are my new favorite. So come along with me and I'll show you how I put this recipe together. I start out by using a scale and I want to measure my flour. For the flour, I'm going to want 240 grams. Next comes the sugar, and I will be putting 2 tablespoons in. And then you need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And then a half a teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm also going to add a 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And then you just want to give it a good mix and get ready for the wet ingredients. I just took my sourdough starter out of the refrigerator and I'm going to use the discard for these pancakes, and I need 240 grams. I don't have quite enough, so at the end I may end up adding a little water. I wanted to make sure I had enough to keep my starter going. And then you need a cup of milk and 2 eggs. If you're enjoying this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And this part, you just want to make sure you get this mixed really well. It takes a couple minutes, but not too long. That looks pretty good. And now you want to get ready for your butter. You want to melt a half a stick of butter, or 56 grams. And then you want to combine both the dry ingredients with the wet. Because I didn't have quite enough sourdough, I'm going to add a little bit of water in there to loosen it up just a bit. These pancakes just are so delicious. I like making the little small ones because we don't eat very many, maybe 1 or 2, and it just works out good. I will leave a link to this griddle in the description. I did a lot of research before I bought this one, and I really love it. So I wasn't able to find the exact one, but I did a little research and found one just about like it. I think an easy mistake to make is making them on a high setting. You want to do about 325. You can always turn it up, but you don't want to make it too hot. And then spread some butter on them when they're nice and hot. Pour a little syrup over, and oh my goodness, I hope you try this. If you do, please leave a comment. I would love to hear what you think of this recipe. This right here shows you just how good they are just by pulling them apart just like this. I love that so much. I am going to line these all up on a cookie sheet and I'm going to stick them in the freezer. Once they come out, I am going to stick them in freezer Ziploc bags and we will have pancakes for a while. So I hope you try this. This is so much fun and so good. Nice to have stuff in the freezer that you can just grab and go. And I also want to tell you about my other channel, Sweet Country Living in Michigan. I make these sponges. I just wanted to show how this cleans up so well. Look how nice and easy it is to clean it. And if you go to my Sweet Country Living in Michigan channel, you will see exactly how to make these. They're super easy. They're like Amish sponges. And you just crochet them. I show you how to turn mesh into yarn. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And at the end, I will put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And thank you so much for watching.